Hello students, welcome to the video lectures on theory of computation. So we will see next problem for DFA. So here our problem is we have to draw a DFA for all strings over sigma is equal to a comma b which are of length greater than 2. Okay, so see what is the constraint which is given here. So the constraint is that our string should be of length which should be greater than 2. So if my string is 0 length, it should not be accepted. If my string length is 1, it should not be accepted. If my string length is 2, it should not be accepted. If my string length is 3, then that will be accepted. So here DFA should accept all the strings which are of length greater than 2. Okay. So first we will see the language. So in this language epsilon will be there? No, because 0 length strings are not there. Okay. It will not accept. Whether a or b will be there? No, that is a 1 length strings will also be not be there. Whether AA, BB or AA, BB, these strings of length 2 will be there? Again no, because we have to draw DFA for all the strings which are of length greater than 2. Okay, so my strings will be, this string will be accepted? Yes, because it is of length greater than 2. This string will also be accepted because it is of length greater than 2. Or A, B, B or B, A, A, B, A, B. So in this way, it will contain infinite number of strings. Okay. So first we will draw for the basic string. This is Q0, Q1, Q2 and Q3. So if I am getting this string, so it should be accepted. Okay. So now here the first character, so we have shown transition for Q0 for A. So we have not shown for B. So here if you see, the first character can be anything. So either it may be A or it may be B. So I will write here B also. Then the second character will also be anything. Either it will be A or either it will be B. So we will write B. Again the third character may be anything. Either it will A or either it will B. So we will write it and B. And in Q3 state, so Q3 state is reached by accepting 3 characters. And after that, if I am getting any number of characters of A or B, so that means those strings are of length greater than 2. Yes, and those all should be accepted. So that's why I will show a self loop here. So for A and B. So this is a DFA for this particular problem. So from this you can draw state transition table. Q0, Q1, Q2, Q3. Input alphabets are A and B. Q0 on A and B, where it is going? Q1. Q1 on A and B, it is going to Q2. Q2 on A and B, it is going to Q3. And Q3 on A and B, it is remaining in same state. So this is a state transition table for this particular DFA. So you can check, for example, suppose we are checking for the string AA. whether this particular string is accepted or not. So initially my machine is in Q0 state, and whenever it will read the first character, it will go to Q1 state. In Q1 state, if it is reading again A, then it will go to Q2 state. Now my string is over and my machine is in a Q2 state. My machine is in a Q2 state, but Q2 state is a final state? No, Q2 state is not a final state, and that's why this particular string will not be accepted. Now suppose we will check for some string, for example A, B, A, B, A. So initially I am in Q0 state. After reading the first A, it will go to Q1 state. After reading the second character in Q1 state, it will go to Q2 state. In Q2 state, if I read the next A, so I will go to Q3 state. In Q3 state, if I read the B, so it will remain in Q3 state. And in Q3 state, if I read again A, so again it will remain in Q3 state. So now my string is over. My string reading is over, and now I am in a state which is a Q3 state, and Q3 state is a final state, and that's why this particular string will be accepted. And now from this you can write down the machine. That is a formal definition for your DFA. So here M is equal to Q is equal to what? All the states. So here you are having Q0, Q1, Q2 and Q3. Q0, Q1, Q2, Q3. Then you are having sigma is equal to A comma B. Initial state is Q0. Final state is here Q3. And transition function is Q cross sigma produces Q. And this is a formal definition for your machine.